Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Nightstand Mode on Apple Watch SE 3. Okay, first press the digital crown to open the app library, then scroll to Settings, App and open it. Now in Settings you have to open General and here scroll until you see the Bedside mode and tap on it, and now to enable it just switch this toggle to the right, and once you leave this menu the changes will be applied. And that's how you enable the Nightstand Mode on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.